Mastering English phrases, understanding, spur on. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to explore, spur on. This is a phrase you might have heard in different contexts, and it carries a powerful meaning. Stay tuned as we delve into its origins, meanings, and how to use it in your everyday English conversations. By the end of this video, you'll have added a fantastic phrase to your English repertoire. The phrase, spur on, is an idiomatic expression used to describe the action of encouraging or motivating someone to do something, particularly to work harder or to continue doing something they might be finding challenging. It's like giving someone a little push to keep them moving forward, to not give up, and to strive to do better. The word, spur, in this context comes from the device used by riders to prompt their horses to move faster. So, when you spur on someone, you are essentially giving them that metaphorical nudge to keep going, to pick up the pace, or to strive for excellence. Now that we know what spur on means, let's look at how we can use it in sentences. 1. Encouragement. His kind words really spurred me on to do my best during the interview. 2. Motivation and challenges. Even though the task was daunting, her belief in my abilities spurred me on. 3. Positive influence. Seeing how hard he works really spurs me on to improve my own work ethic. In all these examples, the phrase, spur on, is used to highlight the positive impact of encouragement and motivation on a person's actions. Understanding synonyms and variations of a phrase can really help in grasping its meaning fully. Some synonyms for spur on include motivate, encourage, propel, urge on, push. Each of these words or phrases can be used interchangeably with spur on, depending on the context. And there we have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, spur on. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you, and that you feel more confident incorporating it into your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward on that journey. Keep up the hard work, and let this new knowledge spur you on to achieve fluency. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.